Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to hide an element or a section in Hostinger website builder. I am now inside my Hostinger website builder, and in order to hide this section, click on it first, then go and click on hide slash show. As you can see, you can enable and disable this section from showing from mobile or desktop or both of them. A little tip that I got just before making this video is that you can edit both versions of your website, one that shows on mobile and a second that shows only on desktop. I've duplicated this big photo section. As you can see, the first one has a product search bar, and as the second copy have a big text with a little description and a big button. Go to the first one, click on hide show option, make this only visible on the desktop, for example, on mobile I meant, and the second one only visible on the desktop. As you can see, it is hidden next to mobile. Now let's preview our work. I am now on the desktop version. I see the big photo with the button. Now let's see the mobile version. As you can see, it only shows the product search bar. Now let's see how to hide an element. Click on your element first, then click on hide slash show and hide it from mobile. Let's preview my work. As you can see, I have my Instagram feed on computer, and for the mobile I have no Instagram feed under follow me on IG. And this is how to hide a section or an element in Hostinger website builder. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have two free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger website builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.